I'll show how to give a dark and black effect. In this tutorial I'll show how to give a dark and black effect on your photo. So first of all, go to the Snapseed mobile application for photo editing. Take your photo from gallery. Select this photo for this time, and you can see there is some default effect for your photo. Click on this, click OK, and you can see there is a tools, and up you can see there is a tone image. Go to there and click on this, and saturation decrease, highlight decrease, shadow all decrease, and warmth. You can see there is a contrast. You can decrease contrast, and ambience also. You can decrease ambience. Now click on OK, and again go to the tools bar, and you can see there is a vintage. Go to there, and you can see there is some default option. I click on 12, and you can see there is some brightness, saturation, and style strength. You can see there vicinity state. Now click on OK. Now again go to the toolbar. Now go to this sign and view edit, and you can see there is our all effect what to give, and go to the vintage and click in edit, and click on this and zoom it, and clean this screen. And click on this. You can see how look like our image, and go to the back, and go to again toolbar, and go to the portrait mode, and you can see there is some dark effect. I select this combo 2, and you can see there is some face spotlight, decrease, and screen smooth, increase, and eye clarity also increase, and click on OK. Now you can see how look like our image. Now you can go to the toolbar and go to the double exposure, and plus select your photo from your gallery. Select this one, and you set your image, and click on this opacity decrease, and you can see there is a lighten, overlay, darken, default, there is darken, and click on there. Now you can see how look like our image. I hope you understand how to give a dark black effect on your photo. So thank you so much. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.